Pranayama deep breathing. Please stand with your feet together, keep your thighs tight and your knees locked. Hips tight, push your hips slightly forward. Interlock your fingers to the webbing, place your knuckles directly underneath your chin. Maintain a point of contact between knuckles and chin throughout the breathing exercise. Keep your hips tight to relax your shoulders, spine straight, draw your abdomen in. Focus your gaze to one point ahead of you. Please begin. Inhale. Inhale through your nose, mouth closed, eyes forward, head down, elbows up. Exhale. Exhale through your mouth, slowly look up and back across the ceiling, head back, eyes open, stretch your elbows forward and together, wrists straight. Inhale. Head down, elbows up, hips tight, shoulders relaxed, eyes forward to the mirror, stretch your elbows all the way up, abdomen in. Exhale. Mouth open, head back, elbows forward, look for the wall behind you, spine stays straight below your neck, palms together, wrists straight, elbows forward, elbows touch. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. For more experienced practitioners, please synchronize the movement between arms and head so the moment your chin goes parallel, your elbows are at their highest point. Exhale. During the exhalation, shape your throat as if you're trying to say ha without actually making that sound. This throat shape will assist you in engaging the proper muscles to resist the flow of breath. Inhale. Throughout the inhale, shape your throat as if you're trying to say so without making that sound. Stretch your elbows all the way forward. Exhale. By keeping the tension and constriction in the back of your throat during pranayama deep breathing, you restrict the flow of breath and strengthen the muscles of respiration. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Knuckles stay touching with your chin. Stretch your elbows out and up to create a feeling of space in your shoulders, back, and neck. Exhale. Thighs tight, knees locked, spine stays straight below your neck. Stretch your eyes all the way across the ceiling. Try to see the wall behind you. Elbows stretch all the way forward, wrists straight, elbows touch. Inhale. Head down, elbows up, fill your lungs as much as possible. Each breath deeper than the one that precedes it, please. Stretch all the way up. Exhale. Apply gentle pressure against the chin with your knuckles. Look far back across the ceiling. Slowly try to see the wall behind you. Keep your hips tight, wrists straight. Inhale. Move your arms and head together. Stretch your elbows out and up, chin down, hips tight, thighs tight, knees locked. Push down through your heels, stretch up. Exhale. Slowly look up and back across the ceiling. At the same time, stretch your elbows forward. Continuously look back. Try to completely empty your lungs with each exhale. Inhale. Stretch your elbows out and up towards the ceiling. Hips tight, abdomen in. See your ribs visible through lateral expansion. Fill your lungs. Exhale. Move your arms and head together. Stretch your eyes across the ceiling. Try to see the wall behind you. Stretch your elbows all the way forward and up. Empty your lungs completely. Continuously exhale until nothing remains. Arms down to your side. Stand centered, calm, relaxed, and aware. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose.